out to guys on the car. Yeah, this one was up because I've done it before. It's got creep in it. There's creep on the case. I need to dry it out. I've only got that. I've only had that 2 days. I've got that Thursday. Mine is not that hot, but it goes and going again. And I'm like, what? I think the pumps are going. Really? Yeah. That's what's going mate, buzzing. Yeah. And I thought about